Sheba's sentencing will be first on the convictions from this murder trial, and then in February, a federal trial is scheduled at the federal courthouse in Brunswick.
Travis McMichael, guilty.
In court today, as Judge Timothy Walmsley read the jury's verdict, only Travis McMichael was found guilty of malice murder for the killing of Ahmaud Arbery.
Unless it's reversed on appeal, and I don't see that happening, then he is going to spend the rest of his life in prison.
Former prosecutor and current defense attorney Daryl Cohen says the malice murder conviction could mean Travis McMichael is sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole, while his father, Gregory McMichael, and William Roddy Bryan could have a chance at life in prison with parole after they were found not guilty of malice murder, but still guilty of felony murder.
It may not make a difference, but at least they have some shot of being released at some point in their life.
After being sentenced, the trio are scheduled to then be tried in federal court on February 7th on hate crime and kidnapping charges. Cohen says those charges could potentially be dropped if each defendant is sentenced to life in prison, or the case may go forward to set an example.
But they may do it because they think it's appropriate, and they're trying to send a message to the rest of this country: you can't do what these three people did.
And legal experts tell us federal prosecutors will need to present a different case to prove there was racial prejudice and convict the defendants of hate crimes. During the murder trial, prosecutors only very briefly discussed the element of race, claiming the three white defendants targeted Ahmaud Arbery for being black. Sheba.